Hey, this is another mass production tip we're going to bring you today. So here's your print plate in your photocentric magna for your resin printers. So when you print your part, if you put your part directly on the plate, you can see these kind of shiny surfaces right here. That's because this whole surface is all being cured all at once. You can also see the shininess down there. That's because that whole surface area is being cured all at once. So if you're having failures, if you're having a little bit of sagging or drooping, sometimes what you can do is you can actually orient your part like this. You can put some supports underneath it, and your part will not be curing this layer 100% all at once, and it will come out a little bit. It may come out better. If you do that, sometimes you will get these lines in the part. You can see like this way, because this surface is actually curved, you're getting that. But that's how you can not cure 100% of your surface all at once, and your part may succeed after that.